Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 3, Week 4, Day 5. I'm going to say some words. I want you to say each sound in the word. Bone, b-o-n, 3 sounds. Robe, r-o-b, 3 sounds. Muse, m-u-z, 3 sounds. Phone, f-o-n, 3 sounds. Huge, h-u-j, 3 sounds. Smoke, s-m-o-k, 4 sounds. And then we're going to make sounds and then blend them together. R-o-z, rose. U-z, use. B-r-o-k, broke. F-u-m, fume. N-o-t, note. Okay, nice job. So once again, today is our last day with silent E or super E. And so I'm going to go fairly quickly. I'll give you 3 seconds to read the word. 3, 2, 1. Rose. 3, 2, 1. Home. 3, 2, 1. Use. 3, 2, 1. Cute. 3, 2, 1. Steve. Okay, let's read this. Home. Change the h to d. Dome. Change the to v. Dove. Change the change the d to w. Wove. Change the v to k. Woke. Change the w to j. Joke. Change the j to p. Poke. Change the k to ul. Pole. Change the p to mole. Change the o to u. Mule. Change the ul to t. Mute. Change the to k. Cute. Change the t to b. Cube. Okay, and that's it. Okay, I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. These. 3, 2, 1. Homes. And remember, even though there's an S there, there's still our super E. 3, 2, 1. Used. 3, 2, 1. Bone. 3, 2, 1. Stone. 3, 2, 1. Hole. 3, 2, 1. Rose. 3, 2, 1. Spoke. 3, 2, 1. Mule. 3, 2, 1. Pete. 3, 2, 1. Phone. 3, 2, 1. Close. 3, 2, 1. Cut. 3, 2, 1. Cute. 3, 2, 1. Rod. 3, 2, 1. Road. 3, 2, 1. Chose. 3, 2, 1. Choke. 3, 2, 1. Awake. 3, 2, 1. Pancake. 3, 2, 1. Explode. 3, 2, 1. Inside. 3, 2, 1. Complete. 3, 2, 1. Bedtime. Okay, here are our high frequency words, so let's do it together. Ago, 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 go. The lake froze 5 days ago. Boy, 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 boy. Pete is a nice boy. Girl, 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 girl. A new girl is in the class. How? How will you get home? Old, 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 old. The bridge is old. People, 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 people. People like those games. Okay, here's a story. So we have our E tickles the O, and then E tickles the O. So you go first. Together. A mole home. Here are some words you'll see. Let's look at them. 3, 2, 1. Out. 3, 2, 1. It. 3, 2, 1. Was. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Day. 3, 2, 1. He. 3, 2, 1. No. 3, 2, 1. Do. 3, 2, 1. Are. 3, 2, 1. My. 3, 2, 1. Says. Okay, So your turn first. Together. A mole home. And a mole is an animal. Okay. So your turn first. Okay. Together. Dad woke up. He got his cup. Dad went out. It was a fine day. Your turn. Together. Dad stops. His cup drops. He spots a hole. It is no joke. It is a mole hole. Okay, your turn. Together. Dad pokes his nose in. Get out, Mole, yells Dad. But Mole is not home. Okay, your turn. Together. Do Jake and Bud like Mole? Jake sniffs and sniffs. Bud and Mole are nose to nose. That means their noses are right by each other. Okay, your turn. Together. Mom is in a robe. That mole stole my roses. Mom yells to Dad and Cole. Mole must go. Okay, your turn. Together. Cole begs Mom to stop. Bud digs holes, he says. Jake broke a vase, but we like them. Your turn. Together. Well, Mole is just a little mole, say Mom and Dad. This can be his home. Cole is glad, so is Mole. Okay, friends, so a CVC word is a consonant vowel consonant, and they're closed syllables because they have generally have a letter on both sides of them, a consonant. So let's do advice. Advice. Okay, so in this word there are three vowel letters, but only 2 syllables. That's because the E is silent. So we have a and I. Okay. So when we have two syllables and there's a super E, the E is silent. Okay, let's look at this one. Okay. We've been working on is and are. Is and are present tense verbs. She is happy. We are happy. It's something happening right now. So let's read this sentence. 2 mice are eating. So, what are they doing? They're eating. That's a verb. And are is our verb also. When we have two or more nouns, we put are. So we have 2 mice. Okay, if we had 1 mouse, it'd say the mouse is eating rice. But we have 2 mice. Okay, here we go here. A mole is in the hole. Okay? So our verb would be in and is. Those are our verbs. And we say is because there's only 1 mole. There's only 1 noun. So when it's 1 noun, we use is. He is happy. She is happy. I am. I'd say am for I. And then when we have, or you could say Jane is happy. So if you say their name, the dog is happy. But if you're saying more than one, we are happy. They are happy. All of them are happy. That's when you use are. Okay, bye everyone. I'll talk to you later.